In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional resume using Google Docs. Crafting an effective resume is crucial for job hunting, and Google Docs offers a straightforward way to get started with its array of easy-to-use templates. Whether you're a fresh graduate or transitioning careers, the step-by-step guide will help you create a resume that stands out. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to docs.google.com. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, go to the top right corner and click on Template Gallery. This will open a new window filled with a variety of templates. Scroll down to the resume section where you'll find templates designed to present your qualifications in a professional manner. Selecting a template like the Simple Resume or Coral Resume is recommended because ATS or Applicant Tracking Systems tend to favor straightforward layouts without any complex graphics. These templates ensure that your resume is readable and professional. Now that you've selected your template, it's time to personalize it by replacing the placeholder text with your own information. Begin by filling in your name and contact information at the top. This should include your phone number and email address, ensuring potential employers can easily reach you. Next, move on to the professional summary section. Here, you'll want to succinctly describe who you are and what you bring to the table. Think of this as your elevator pitch. Once that's done, it's time to showcase your work experience. List your job titles, company names, and the dates of employment. Under each job, include bullet points highlighting your achievements and responsibilities. Focus on outcomes and use action verbs to convey your impact. After detailing your work experience, turn your attention to the education section. List your degree, the institution attended, and the dates of attendance. If you have any relevant certifications, consider adding those here as well. Finally, list the key skills that are relevant to the job you're applying for. These might include technical skills or soft skills that match the job description. Once you've completed your resume, it's essential to save and export it correctly. Click on File in the top left corner, then hover over Download. For most online resume submissions, a PDF document format is ideal since it's widely accepted by ATS and preserves your formatting. However, if an employer specifically requests a Word document, you can select the Word by DocX format instead. And there you have it, a polished resume created from start to finish using Google Docs. I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying the resume building process for you. Remember, a well-crafted resume can significantly increase your chances of landing that interview. Good luck and happy job hunting!